under 3B, under campus planning and construction. The last sentence in the paragraph, the board shall review and recommend approval of drawings and specifications, bids and contract documents, and acceptance of completed projects. And you had a hissy fit when I wanted to meet and look over the drawings.
No, you misunderstood.
No, you did, Bill.
Let me clarify.
There are
your
other
question.
people sitting here
No,
that heard
let me
everything
clarify.
you said.
Let me clarify.
I guess I'm
There
going to
is a-
burn under my saddle today.
Well, that's fine. Maybe you take
Sorry,
the saddle
y'all.
off for a while.
Well, maybe not.
But let me clarify. I, as chairman, believe there is a difference between us viewing as a group, like we're here today, drawings, or me giving you copies of a drawing, as us going in as one or two and setting in with the architect and making recommendations. That's where I said we were wrong. I never said we couldn't look at the drawings. My concern was, we're a 9-member board. We cannot go 9 different directions. And that's what you all want to do. One of you, it wouldn't do any good if you, you could go set in. But if you make suggestions, it's got to be the approval of 9 of us.
We know that, Bill.
And that's where you misunderstood. I didn't have a problem with you looking at the drawings.
When you get through, can I say something?
I'm just trying to answer your question.
Well, it wasn't a question. It was pointing out to you.
No,
that
you misunderstood.
That you told me at the time. Did you get all your questions answered? You acted like I called the meeting.
Well,
I had some questions and I had the time
No.
and wanted to meet several of us.